Hello. Hello. I think now everything is working fine. Yeah. So, alright. So basically, there was a problem with my software. I was using OBS Studio for streaming before, but uh, it wasn't working really fine for me. So I had to switch to another software. Let me just check the stream quality. Okay, I think the stream quality is also good. Yeah, perfect. Hey Nishil, how are you? I think the stream is now running smooth with no issues. Okay, so over here, GPGPY right now hasn't gave me any chance to enter a trade. If we talk about EuroCAD, then there's a consolidation to the left, so I really cannot execute a trade in that case. So what I'm gonna do is, okay, just wait, 6:30. So New York session has been open, 20 minutes ago, and now I think above this area, or let me just adjust. Okay, so above 1.43386, I think there can be good buy opportunity, and that's the area over here in the 3 minutes as well. So I'm gonna wait for this candle to close, and if this candle closes above this area, then I'm gonna take a buy in the next candle, because the market will be going up to this wick over here for the first target, and it will be going all the way up over here for the second target. So let's see if the market goes to that area or not. Let's see what happens. Because the problem with GBP JPY now is this candle is having 9 minutes left to close. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait for this candle to close first, because it is showing some rejection over here. So I think waiting for this candle to close first is a really good option. So let's wait for 8 more minutes over here for this candle to close, and after that let's see if we have any chance to take a trade or not. And also 8 minutes left for EuroCAD candle to close as well. Let's see what will happen. So in case of GBP JPY, I might want to wait for the 15-minute candle to close below 156.304, and then I'll look for sells. But before that, there's nothing I can do over here, because I was really thinking of getting this trade over here, but when I looked at the 15 minutes over here, this particular candle broke the low in the first few seconds, and that was not a great kind of a confirmation for me, so I avoided this trade. After that, this candle closed over here at this point, and this candle went all the way up by going all the way down over here. So there was no range for me to take this trade as well. So right now it looks like that GBP gave some opportunities today, but in reality it hasn't gave any opportunity to me, at least, because I need confirmations before I take a trade. So now again I'm gonna wait over here for a candle to close below 156.304 to execute sells. And if we talk about EuroCAD, then this might be a heavy rejection zone in EuroCAD, and it might go down from here. But let's see what happens in EuroCAD, because if we have a candle closing above 1.43386, then the next candle can possibly move up to this area first, and then this area secondly. So let's see what will happen. Four minutes left for the current candle to close. Let's see. Okay, and one more thing I want to tell everybody, that after the streams today, the course price will be getting high today. It will be getting to $450, and I would really like to congrats everybody, those who took the opportunity of the discount which was running at the time of New Year's. New Year. So I really happy for that, because there were few people who were really waiting for some discount, and after that discount they really took that opportunity for them, and really nice. Look here, Eurocad is rejecting this area to the left. This is a very strong area basically. That's why it's rejecting this area. Also, I can say that this area is a POI also. So it went down from here. Now it's going up to that area. Rejection is there now. It should be leaving this area behind, and starts to show something that will tell us that the market's gonna move down, and that's where I'm gonna enter the trade, because if once it starts to go down, it will be moving down over here to tap the bottom. So let's see what will happen. Eurocat came all the way down from this point, then yeah. So this is a very strong zone in Eurocad, and I believe that if Eurocad really wants to go down, then this 4-hour candle should show some rejection in the 30-minute candle. Look, the 30-minute candle closed above these body ends. So let's see what happens. Eurocad candle went all the way down, closed bearish. Okay, let's just reanalyze Eurocad over here. Like, if the market starts to drop down, then what will be the plan? So right now it's going up, creating a support, again going up. Now there's a rejection over here, which is coming from the left. Oops, from the left. Emoji is saying, hey man, really proud of you. Thank you so much, buddy. And so this rejection is coming from the left, because according to me this is a POI, and this is the move, inside that POI, and rejections will be there, something like that, and soon the market will be, leaving these areas behind. So now what I want to do, what I really want for sells. So whenever we talk about sells and the market is moving up, then I want something like creation of a first resistance, second one, and then this execute trade over here or over here. But right now we are in this phase, so I need market to turn. So most probably I want to sell when the candles will be approaching in between this level, but there is no range, or below this area. Yeah, I think below this area will be a better option. So I'm gonna wait for the market to, a candle to close below this area for sells. It's rejecting. Let's see if the market goes down or now it will just consolidate. I really don't know about that, so let's see. So now the 4-hour candle is rejecting this area, like this candle over here, and the chances of retracement of this candle is high right now. So need to wait for 19 more minutes. I'm gonna wait for this particular 4-hour candle to close before I take a trade. So I need a second resistance to be formed, sorry, second support to be formed, and then I will take a buy. Because formation of second resistance and second support is really important. It will really save you from bad decisions when you take trades. So always wait for that. Oh, look at this. EuroCAD is showing extreme volume right now. Okay, so right now it's 7:11. 1 hour is dropping down. 45-minute also dropping down. 30 minutes. 30 minutes is also dropping down over here. But if EuroCAD wants to go up, then this candle should close above 1.43142. If it closes inside this area, then this will be part of consolidation, and we need to wait for a breakout and close below 1.43040. So let's see. Fifty seconds remaining for a 15-minute candle to close. Let's see how this 15-minute closing. Great move by GP. Great move over here. But not a single chance of trade execution. This could be the only chance, I think. But no, there's no range. No range. Yeah, there was no range. sometimes the market moves really fast and uh, covers up really good pips, but in reality it might not just give you any chance of taking a trade. And this happens a lot of times. So some traders really worry about when they miss out these kind of moves, but they don't realize that in reality you cannot cut this move up. Why? Because you have so much of consolidations to left. Even though you got this move today and you make some profits today, but when you will be trying to taking these kind of moves every day, you will understand that you will be losing more than you are gaining profits, right? So you will eventually start to lose more, because the reason is, whenever there is a consolidation and market really gets into that zone, it really gets slow or rejects that area. And when it gets slow and when it rejects the area, we all know what happens. What happens is market just starts to do choppy moves like up down, and where we really starts to close our positions or start to cut our losses really short. So that's why it's really important to avoid these kind of forceful trades on your account. Okay, 14 minutes remaining for the current candle to close. I'm waiting for a candle to close below this area in GBP/JPY. 15 minutes is over here, and actually what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait for 30-minute confirmation. Yeah, because if I get a candle closing below 156.304, I think the next candle will be moving down at least to fill this wick, and that will give me around 10 pips, easy 10 pips. So finally EuroCAD is dropping now. Let me just go back to 30 minutes. Okay, so this will be the first target I'll look for, and let me just check the higher time frames. Yeah, I was right. So right now EuroCAD is dropping down, and right now this candle is about to close in 7 minutes. So I'm gonna wait for 7 more minutes, because the next 4-hour candle will wake up and will go down then. So when the next 4-hour candle will wake up, that might be some retracement again, or maybe a strong wick to the upside from the next candle, and can go down from that point. So I think today they will be the only trade in EuroCAD. So let's see. So we need to just wait for 2 more minutes over here. Do not make any decisions because of the FOMO right now, because this candle looks really tempting, and you know, really want to take a trade. Maybe so many people will really want to take the trade in the last minutes, but that's the worst thing you can do. So just wait over here and let the candle close. Be patient. GBP is also coming down, but need to wait for break and close this area, below this area. Now I'm gonna go to 15. So 1 minute remaining only for the current candle to close. Okay, so this can just close like this. So I think if this current candle breaks this low over here, I can take the trade. One hour candle also closed like this. A fake out was formed over here. So if this 1 hour candle breaks this low, then it should be moving all the way down to fill this wick and continue moving down from there. But before going down, I really want this candle to create a higher wick and then go down from here. Yeah, I think it should be going down from here. Let's have a look at the 45 minute as well. 45 minute, yeah, looks good. So the current 15-minute candle broke the low of the previous one suddenly, and it suddenly rejected that area. So now for a safer side, I'm gonna shift this to this level. So now two things can happen. Number one is that the current candle can flip up, break its own high and move up a little bit, or the second thing is it will be dropping down from here. Let's see. Took a sell trade over here at this point. Keeping stops at high of the current candle, 15 minutes. Closed 90% over here. Closed everything at this point. Oh, it was a quick losing trade. Let's see how much I lost. Okay, not much. Lost around 4.5 pips. So this was a liquidity grab over here. Sorry. Hey Jose, how are you? So look here, Eurocat again coming down, but now only 5 minutes left for the 15-minute candle to close, and let's just wait for this candle to close now. GBP also moving down from here. So if this 1 hour candle break the low, let's see how. Okay, stops will be really nice, and I think if it break this low over here, then it should be dropping down from this level. I'm gonna look at this in 3 minutes. I'm gonna wait for this candle to close. So if this candle breaks this low, we have this clean range to the left, but if anybody will be taking this trade out there, then just make sure that if the market comes back by touching this point, then close everything at break even, and if the market crosses below this area, then it will be moving down towards this area. So the same thing I'm looking for right now is breaking the price 156.289. It's about to break the low. So this will be the last trade for today. Two minutes left. So right now 1 hour candle is respecting the high of the previous one, Let's see if it breaks the low of the previous candle, which will make the previous one together a resistance. It didn't broke the low of the previous one and it rejected that area. So now only 1 minute left for the 15-minute candle to close. Oh, look here how it's rejecting now those prices. So EuroCAD is also about to close down over here, but I have already gave one attempt on EuroCAD, so I might, let's see. $20 remaining. Let's wait for 20 seconds and this can close. Let me just go to 30 minutes over here and so now this makes sense to me. And let me just go back to 1 hour. Yeah, okay, so this can close below this area. So it's coming down again. Let's see if the 15-minute candle break the low or not. Looks like it will at this point. Oh, rejection is there. Okay, again, third attempt. Okay. What 15 minutes is doing? Alright, so the 15-minute candle came all the way down, tried to break this low as well, like the previous 15 minute, but it failed. But one thing I'm sure about is if the current 15-minute candle will be breaking the price 156.289, then the chances of going down will be really high. It's just that we have these wick rejections, but those wick rejections are far away, like around 7-8 pips away, so trade can be easily manageable. And right now EuroCAD is also coming down, creating a higher wick. Sorry. Okay, again it's coming down. I think this time it might just break the low, because 5-minute candle is closing over here. Took a sell trade at this point. Keeping stops at high of the current candle. Current 15-minute. Take profits are set over here at 10-11 pips. Let's just wait and watch. According to me, 1 hour candle should be stretching all the way down from this point. It should be at least coming down to this level. Okay, rejection is coming up in this area as well. I'm really expecting the market to drop really down from here, because the way the market has moved, it really shows that there is a lot of volume inside the market, but it has to go down from here at least with volume. Once it drops down, starts to drop down from here, it will be tapping this wick, and if it possibly breaks down below this wick, then it will be giving us 10 pips for sure. close 50% over here. I think volume is dying in the market. Okay, Nishal sent a trade over here. Just give me a few minutes, buddy. I was really expecting the market to drop down from here, but I guess. Last 3 minutes remaining for the current 15-minute candle to close. Let's see in the last 3 minutes whether this candle be stretching all the way down or will it just flip back up. So this is GBP USD. And buddy, there's just one problem over here, that this candle closed with no wick on the bottom and you took the trade over here. So I really don't recommend taking trades when the candles close with no wick in your, especially in your direction. So last 1 minute remaining. Now I'm really having some doubts about this candle closing. I think in the last few minutes it will be reversing back. If it will be closing down below over here like a strong bearish candle, then next candle will be definitely going down. But if this candle will be closing like this, then definitely it will be going up. Last few seconds remaining. Let's see where this candle will be closing. Looks like about to close strong bearish. Let's hope. Alright, so this candle closed strong bearish. Now if the current candle flips down, oh, it's moving up. So now the current candle, if the current candle flips down and break this low, it will be moving down. Closed another half over here. Come on, man, GBP. Oh, look here. EuroCAD. This will be now going all the way down. Okay, I'm gonna enter again in this trade once this price will be broken. Re-entered this trade over here, the previous trade also running over here, and re-entered at this point. Keeping stops of both the trades at high of the current 30-minute candle. Really expecting the price to drop at least 10 pips now. Because we have this clean candle over here, and but only this wick over here, so at least it should be dropping to this wick. But if it's not, then need to manage. I think finally it's making its move now. Yeah, dropping. So first position running in 5.5 pips, second one is running in 3.5 pips. So now this area. So to go down, it really needs to break below this area. What the fuck is wrong with my internet? Oh, finally. Okay, so the trades are running over here like this, which is really nice. So first position went in 10 pips, second one is in 8 pips. So keeping this first position stops at break even. Second position running in 8.6, 8.7. It just crossed below that area. Nice. It should be now dropping really hard. So the second position also tapped 10 pips, keeping both the position stops at break even. So let's see if it really drops further to this wick or not. Actually, you know what? I closed half over here, keeping stops at break even. Don't want to mess with the profits over here. So congratulations everybody. Nice. There was a drop coming up. Really nice. Closed everything at this point. Yeah, that was a really nice trade over here. So finally made some profits for today. Today was the first day and made little bit of profits, not very much because of the previous two trades losses, but really happy with the results because today was the first day of my trading in New Year, so really happy. So I'm gonna share the results. Look, so took these trades over here, then finally these trades and made good profits overall into profits today, and really happy for that. So let's see, maybe the price should be dropping over here further because the H1 time frame is really nice to drop the price down, but obviously I really don't want to have a losing day, so I closed everything early but made some profits also. So I'm gonna end the streams now. I'm gonna call it a day over here, and I'm gonna send this analysis to Discord and everywhere so that you can learn from this analysis. So take care everybody, have a great day, and let's meet tomorrow. Let's see, tomorrow, let's hope that tomorrow will be a great day for us. So take care everyone, have a great day, and happy new year to everybody.